Good morning. I am thankful to you all that you have joined in this critical time for the meeting. And basic purpose of this meeting was basically, I have given email as well as message. We are working on 3 main agendas, and we want all our chapter should be sync, and our directors and their people around should be sync with those agendas so that we can achieve our aim, what we want to achieve as a National Adventure Foundation. Right? Keeping those things in mind, I will just repeat those 3 agenda points before President comes. I think he can come anytime. So we have 3 agendas are membership drive, training and certification, and then website transformation. So under membership drive, I think we are working on automation of membership. So we'll try to find out this automation takes place, and this will be available on the website where people can get the form instead of we sending the physical form to them and getting them filled. At the same time, in this automation, we'll try to even issue the iCard after certain checks and balances. Right? And in this meeting, one important point I think President conveyed in the morning as well. I think all the directors should be available, and in case if they are not there, I think representative can come in case of there. So the second agenda point, as we have been discussing long time, is training and certification, and we need to declare NAF some training centers for different specialized field. So we have to work extensively on this. We have to create contents, syllabus, course materials, course programs, and all. And then we have to proceed further. So those work also need to be done. Right? And third agenda point is the website transformation. And as you all know, we have the website. We have very good proactive website for a long time, and it's going on the same. We are not immediately changing anything in that basic configurations. However, we want to make it more proactive. And in addition to the website, we would like to basically use the various resources of social sites and other micro blogging and micro sites which are available to us.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
About that website transformation, what exactly are you meaning to do? You wanted to merge the chapter website into the headquarter website, or you are giving a page or something to us?
Sir, your this identification is coming iPhone.
I am Colonel George, Karnataka chapter.
Karnataka. Sir,
Colonel George, Karnataka chapter.
Right. Mainly you see the website transformation. Presently, the website is a very static form of the website. It just gives few important information about NAF and nothing else. And we can't even immediately make anything dynamic or changing. If you see, even when we work on automation of the membership, that will become dynamic. It means that membership form will be available to the people, and they need not to just give a ring or anything. They can download the form, fill it up, and then submit it. Something like this we are working on. So we will discuss some more subsequently.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Go ahead.
Right? Any other issue points? And even the today's Zoom meeting, I think President will like to address, and then subsequently we may have some question answer session, and you can jot down the points and we can discuss on those issues. You see, the basic purpose is basically to generate some kind of synchronization between the various chapters and directors, so that we remain sync to achieve our targets, as we all expect to do, right? This Ravinder, may I? Ravindra. It is- Yeah. Who is there? Ravindra? There is a.
There is one Ravinder Bhuiya. I don't know whether he is the one.
Yes, it is.
Isha chapter director.
Ravi.
Ravinder Bhuiya.
सर अपने आप इंट्रोड्यूस करो ना
आर.के. भुइया.
एक बार हाथ खड़ा करके let everyone introduce once.
I think that would be. I think shall we start from the Vishal Thakur? He is.
नहीं आपसे शुरू करो ना, start from you only.
Start from
Yes, yes.
No problem. I am Wing Commander K.K. Verma. I am Executive Director, NAF, and I am at headquarters working with the
Delhi.
President and other two staffs.
Yeah.
And Colonel Nagpal is also here. At times he comes. So we are trying to make work from home more relevant, and that is the way I think in present circumstances we can do. And our main purpose is basically to, even when the, I mean, we are not unable to get the government fund for last 2 years now. Last year also we didn't get, and before that also was not available. We have to think for some alternative and make it more vibrant organization, this 40-year-old organization. That is the way I think as an executive director I am trying to work. And I hope I get support from all of you to take things a little forward. And that's I worked in Indian Air Force for 20 years. I took premature retirement in 2005, and last 15 years I am working with sports actually per se. So that is what is my introduction. I will be happy to reply any queries if any. So thank you. And next I will request Vishal Thakur to begin with. Vishal Thakur, are you getting us? So just give 1 or 2 minutes introduction, and then we can proceed further.
All right, sir.
Yes.
Good
Vishal
morning,
Thakur
everyone. जी, good morning, everyone.
ji. Good morning.
मेरा नाम विशाल ठाकुर है और मैं चैप्टर एनएफ चैप्टर डायरेक्टर कुल्लू हूँ और मैं लगभग 1997 से एडवेंचर टूरिज्म से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट मनाली में एज ए विजिटिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर भी काम किया है और बहुत सारे प्राइवेट और गवर्नमेंट के कोर्सेज भी चलाए हैं और टूर्स भी चलाए हैं। तो अभी प्रेजेंटली डायरेक्टर कुल्लू हूँ और साथ में मैं अपना मनु टूरिज्म के नाम से टूर्स और एडवेंचर भी चलाता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Very good. Colonel Nagpal.
I think everybody, I think all of you must be knowing me. Do I need any introduction?
No, sir. Carry on. Next.
We will move forward.
And as it is, I'm not good at
next.
speaking.
Next. Sabko mala.
Next, Miss
I think,
Priyadarshini.
those who don't know me, I've been with the NAF since 2002, and I have been looking after the NAFR right from the beginning. Now I think it will be Wing Commander Verma who will start looking after it, because of my health and my age. I'll of course keep guiding him. Anything else that anybody would like to know about me? Okay, I think everybody knows, except I think Vishal Thakur I have not met. MP Yadav, of course, I know Colonel MK Yadav. He's a paratrooper and he knows me and my son, both of us, very well. Anybody else whom I have not met? Otherwise, since 2002.
Sir, I haven't met you,
Nokia,
but I know you.
2 आ रहा है, कौन है?
Dr. Rohini Nair.
नहीं, रोहिणी उनका तो मुझे पता है.
Yes, sir.
Nokia 2.2 आ रहा है.
You may not be knowing, but he knows you. So
I know
that's
almost
okay.
everybody.
No, what I'm saying
Yeah,
is I
Nokia
know you
2.2
very
आ रहा
well,
है.
but I have not met you, uncle.
Okay.
I know you very
Yeah,
well.
I think I met Wing Commander Nair, all right.
Yes,
And
yes.
have you
yes.
been attending the meetings in?
Yeah, I've
then I
been
think
attending.
we know each
Yeah.
other, but of course,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
nice meeting you on
Very
the.
nice to meet
get
you.
together.
May I
Yeah,
request
nice to meet you
Priyadarshini
too.
now to say a few words about herself.
Hello everyone, this is Priyadarshini Singh and I am a director for Rajasthan Chapter 3. And as all of us know, in an unfortunate circumstances where we are stuck in, but we are trying to do mountaineering activities and also tree plantation, which is in our hand, which we can, so we get some, all these volunteers to do tree plantation in our mountain area. And also we are seeing that a lot of kids are still turning up with, of course, all the precautions taken, and we are encouraging mountaineering activities, and we are able to do that also. And now also when the lockdown is there, but we try weekly, at least we do some activities for people who are turning up on Saturdays and Sundays and who are interested in adventure activities. So we are trying to conduct that.
That's good. That's great.
Yeah. Thank
Daya
you.
Shankar Mishra ji.
तो नमस्कार, मैं दया शंकर मिश्रा, चैप्टर डायरेक्टर बिहार.
थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताइए सर आप.
सर, मैं दया शंकर मिश्रा हूं और मैं माउंटेनियर्स हूं, मैं पैरासेलर हूं, मैं वाटर स्पोर्ट्स भी कराता हूं, तो मैं एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी ऑर्गेनाइजर हूं. साथ ही साथ मैं सिविल डिफेंस झारखंड का डिप्टी चीफ हूं. मैं रेड क्रॉस सरायकेला का पैट्रन हूं. तो समाज सेवा और डिजास्टर के साथ साथ एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज में भी बेहतर रूप से कार्य कर रहा हूं.
That's great. हाँ, उसके बाद वो नेशनल एडवेंचर, उन्होंने पूरा नाम लिखा हुआ है, चैप्टर मनाली. सर आप, हाँ, तो आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जगदीश लाल है. मैं NF चैप्टर मनाली का डायरेक्टर हूं और पिछले 24-25 साल से NF के साथ जुड़ा हूं. और मैं आजकल जो हमारे हिमाचल प्रदेश में हिमाचल प्रदेश विंटर गेम एसोसिएशन का सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी हूं. और कई सालों से मैं स्कीइंग के नाम से मुझे जाना जाता है पूरे हिमाचल में. और मुझे ऑस्ट्रिया और जापान में लगभग 8-9 साल का स्कीइंग टीचिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है. इसी वजह से मैं विजेंद्र ज्ञान सिंह जी के टाइम से
थैंक यू जगदीश लाल जी. May I request Ashish Katoch?
Yeah, good morning, sir. I'm Ashish Katoch from Jammu.
Good morning.
I have a campsite at Sanasar, and we do different kinds of programs. Summer programs also, winter programs also, meditation retreats also, and for the children also, camping and adventure sports and trekking. These are the main things that we are doing there. But last year also couldn't do much. And this year also we are not expecting to do much unless until the COVID is over. But we are in the meanwhile. Last year also we tried to upgrade our infrastructure at Sanasar. It's a hill station. It's a beautiful place. There's a lake there also at Sanasar. It comes in Ramband district of Jammu and Kashmir, especially the Jammu province. We are 125 kilometers from the main Jammu city, and we have airport at Jammu, and last railway station is at Udhampur. I think many people know about the Udhampur also, as well as Jammu, because Udhampur is also the command headquarters of the army. And that's what we are doing right now. Apart from NAF chapter director, I have a youth hostel also at Sanasar, and another organization is there, PY Resorts. By the name of PY Resorts, we do most of the business, which is primarily for camping purposes. Since the place is of that kind, where a lot of flora and fauna and hills are there, snowfall is also there. So the best season, we have two best seasons in our place. One is in summers, that is April onwards till July and August, and then snow season is there from December till March. So these are the best times to visit Sanasar, and summers is the most pleasant time when we can come with the families. So that's the introduction about myself and the place there where I'm operating. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. May I request, I think some of you, we are getting a lot of noise. So please switch off your mic and mute the audio. Otherwise, shall I do and you will unmute before you speak?
Sir, I think we can go into the points. Let's discuss. Too much of time. Introduction is taking too much of time.
Hello. So just I think okay. I think Ravindra ji, are you came in between and then again? You are RK Bhuiya?
जी सर गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning. How are you?
बस मैं ठीक हूँ और मैं उड़ीसा के डायरेक्टर हूँ। इसके अलावा मैं 1981 से एडवेंचर लाइन में हूँ और 2006 से मैं एनए के साथ जुड़ा हूँ, और जो कि मेरा मेन मकसद है इंडिया में एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए। इसके लिए मेरे को कोई भी कहीं भी बुलाते हैं मैं जाने के लिए रहता हूँ। पर लास्ट 2000 मार्च से totally dead है एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस।
May I request Poonam Yadav to just say one or two words?
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm Poonam Yadav, Chapter Director MP, and I've been connected with NAF since only 3 years, and out of that, 1.5 years already passed with COVID, so I haven't done much. And I'm not operating right now. I'm in Bangalore. So that's it.
Right. Thank you. Sir, good morning. Hello. Sir, good morning, Verma. Sir, I think we are ready, sir. 22. Hello. Sir, Zoom meeting. Sir, we are ready. 22 participants. Going ahead with the introduction. So, will you come just now? हाँ, Nokia 3.2. हेलो, कर्नल नागपाल, ये Nokia 3.2 किसका है? चमोली जी।
Sir, good morning to you. Am I audible? This is Nadeem Chamoli. Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, sir, can you hear? Hello.
हाँ, आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है?
Sir, थोड़ा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन
पुअर है।
connectivity poor here, but is my audio clear?
Yeah, audio is good.
Okay, so very good morning to everybody here. My name is Naveen Chamoli. I am the chapter director of the Kempty Falls, Mussoorie. Essentially, what we do is training program,
WhatsApp पे
program for land and water, disaster management programs, camps both for children, corporates, as well as for the government. Of course, the last 1 year has been focus only has been on very specific trainings, so that the most important one is getting. The others right now we have stopped because of the social distancing, but hopefully very soon, and we will be back into much action again. Thank you. Of course, because hopefully COVID will get over. June would be hot months in the place. We of course invite our other chapter directors to come and visit us in the sometime. Thank you, everyone.
Ajit Singh. Hello. कर्नल CK सिंह। आपका कर्नल CK सिंह, आपका ऑडियो unmute. Now it,
can you hear me now?
Yes, now it is coming. Please go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, Commander Verma and all the chapter directors who are present for the Zoom meeting. I'm from the Parachute Regiment, retired in 1997. Thereafter, I'm with the NAF. I have climbed peaks with the Army Expedition. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
I've climbed peaks with the Army expeditions, with the Japanese team, with the British team, and you will find my name in the Limca Book of Record also for doing the parasailing at the highest place. That is for doing and conducting both. That was at Stekna beyond Leh. And since last COVID thing, I haven't done anything. In fact, I had planned activity this month because of the corona, where things have gone from bad to worse. I had to cancel all these schedules, and I don't think for another month we will be able to do anything because there are a lot of corona problems in our area, in Dayalbagh, in Agra, and everywhere here in Agra. So we have all the activities, and I don't think for a month we'll be able to do anything. We are not going out of our residences and the colonies. Let's hope settle down very fast and start once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think our President Lieutenant General Raman Dhawan is here. Sir, are you getting? We'll just confirm audio, video. Sir, are you getting our voice? Hello. President, sir, you are getting our voice and audio and video. We are not getting from you. In the meantime, I will request Swati Acharya. Till that time he gets connected. May I request you say a few words about yourself?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Swati Acharya for Mumbai chapter. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज आ रही मैम.
Okay, जी, okay. Swati Acharya for NF chapter director in Mumbai, and I am a part of a sport climbing since '95, and last year we celebrate a silver jubilee for sport climbing in Orissa, and now 26th year is running for sport climbing for me, and as an NF family, I am a part of as a director since 1918. 2018, sorry, 2018. Hello.
I think due to internet connection, I think, are you still there, Swati?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, 2018 से as a director, I am a part of NF, and as an instructor, as a participant, I am family member as a NF since 1998.
Okay.
And now in Mumbai, we arrange Maharashtra. There were youth games before lockdown, and I was also there as a national judge, and I am only national judge in sport climbing since 2012. So this is my short journey in this adventure life, and we are doing many more work for the adventure in Mumbai, like trekking. हम लोग ट्रैकिंग अरेंज करते हैं यहाँ पे लोकल जो हिल्स एरिया है, लाइक रत्नागिरी, पुणे में रत्नागिरी में, एंड वसई विरार का जो एरिया है, तो हम वहाँ पे ट्रैकिंग अरेंज प्रोग्राम जो है हम लोग अरेंज करते हैं. बट इन दिस,
हाँ सर. हेलो. Hello. May I request Dr. Rohini Nair? Sir, good morning. I think our President, Lieutenant General Dhawan is here. His video is visible. I think he's. Sir, are you getting us? Absolutely fine. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर हम लोग को. In the meantime, may I request Ms. Rukmani Chandran, please say a few words about yourself. Sir, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आप
Good afternoon, everybody, sir. Namaskar. Are you able to hear?
yes, we are
Hello?
getting, but only thing is your speech is cutting
Hello?
in between, but otherwise it's okay. Please go ahead. Please.
Hello? Are you able to hear, sir?
Yes. Please go ahead.
Sir. Good afternoon. I am Rukmini Chandran. Basically an NCC cadet from my schools and college days. I have been doing is, I have done my basic mountaineering and also I have done my glider pilot courses and free flight hang gliding I have done and rock climbing. Then we have all water sports like whitewater rafting and kayaking and windsurfing I have done. And I have been associated with adventure sports since 1990. And I've been associated with NAF since 2003. And I have been the director since 2006 for trekking, rock climbing, rappelling, then zipline, kayaking, and parasailing. I am the first woman to be parasailing instructor in the country since I have been doing it since '89. So as an NCC cadet, I did, and I continue to do it till today. So we have all these facilities. Parasailing we have in Mysore. Then rock climbing courses we can.
Right. I think. Thank you, madam. Your speech is
place,
cutting.
natural campsite we have.
Okay.
What we do,
I think there may be some
sports
internet
activities,
issues.
only kayaking and country rafting we have, sir.
Right. Thank you.
And
madam.
here in Karnataka, the corona effect is more, and we don't have any activities the last 1.5 years.
Right. President sir, are you getting our voice? Your speech is not coming to us. Speaker may be disconnected or something.
Maybe it takes another 2-3 times to operate any adventure activities.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, President sir, can you take out your plug speakers connector? It will come most probably. Presently, it is not coming.
Speaker
Even
connection.
President's video is not coming.
No, video is coming, audio is not coming.
Okay.
In the meantime, may I request Dr. Rohini Nair, please, if you are there. Dr. Rohini Nair, please say a few words about yourself, and we'll then. Yes.
To all the NAF family members. I am Captain Dr. Rohini Nair, Director Kerala Chapter. I've just taken over from Wing Commander SKJ Nair, who is well known in this NAF family. And I am into flying. I have a microlight pilot license, and we do all kind of terrestrial and aqua sports as well as aero sports. And with the guidance and blessings from Wing Commander SKJ Nair, I hopefully will take this NAF Kerala chapter forward. Thank you, sir. Thank you to everybody. Take care and stay safe.
Thank you very much. We have one Dr. Pandey, Vijay Pandey. Are you, if you are listening us? Vijay Pandey. Yes, sir. You can unmute it is muted.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Dr. Vijay Pandey, Amravati chapter director Maharashtra from Amravati. Hello.
Yes, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, KK, can you hear me now?
Sir, we are
Hello.
getting your.
Okay, great.
Sir,
Great.
we were having introduction. Good morning to you, sir. Welcome.
Yeah. Go on. I could hear you. I could hear you, but somehow my voice was not reaching you. So please carry on. Please continue.
Right, sir. Dr. Pandey is giving his introduction. So
Yeah, okay.
Dr. Pandey, please go ahead. Vijay Pandey. Please go ahead. Yes.
Sir, I am once again, sir, I am Dr. Vijay Pandey, NF director for Amravati, Maharashtra. Sir, हम लोग चिखलदरा में activity चले from this hill station in the Maharashtra in Chikhaldara. To conduct the activities from this Chikhaldara, the chapter the Amravati. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We have Appa Saab. Will you just say a few words about yourself?
थैंक यू सर। मेरी आवाज पहुंच रही है सर आपके पास?
आवाज आ रही है आपकी।
धन्यवाद सर। मैं अप्पा साहेब ढूस सिडनी चैप्टर का डायरेक्टर हूँ। वैसे तो पैरामोटर खेल में मैं देश के लिए खेलता हूँ ज्यादातर। अभी तक एक गोल्ड, एक ब्रॉन्ज और 2 सिल्वर मैंने देश के लिए हासिल किए हैं। 9 नेशनल रिकॉर्ड्स मेरे पैरामोटर स्पोर्ट्स में है। इस वजह से महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने राज्य का सबसे बड़ा एडवेंचर का शिव छत्रपति अवार्ड देके सम्मानित किया है। फिलहाल मैं एपीपीआई पैरा ट्राइक का असिस्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ और अभी हम पैरामोटर ट्राइक में जॉय राइड्स और ट्रेनिंग का काम यहाँ पे करते हैं और एनएफ के थ्रू पूरा देश में ये काम अभी करना चाहते हैं। धन्यवाद सर।
Great sir. We have Avinash Devskar with us. Please sir, can you give just 1 minute introduction yourself?
नमस्ते सर, मैं अविनाश, मैं चैप्टर डायरेक्टर तो नहीं हूँ पर मैं अटेंड कर रहा हूँ मीटिंग। आपसे जैसे बात हुई थी कल, महाराष्ट्र चैप्टर ये सबसे पुराने चैप्टर्स में से है। पहले नागपुर चैप्टर था और हम लोगों को ब्रिगेडियर ज्ञान सिंह साहब के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला और नागपुर में जो एक ट्रेनिंग की फैसिलिटी क्रिएट की गई है, जहाँ पर ब्रिगेडियर साहब का भी एक विजन था कि पूरे भारत से हम लोग यहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स चलाए और एज अ कोच हमने महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के लिए काम किया है, जिसमें 2018 और 19 में 14 स्कूली बच्चों को एवरेस्ट पर उन्होंने क्लाइम किया, तो जिसका ट्रेनिंग पूरा हम लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। और आज मैं इस प्रोग्राम को अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, इस मीटिंग को, क्योंकि इसमें ट्रेनिंग से संबंधित कोई टॉपिक है, तो जो भी एक्सपीरियंस हमारे पास में हम उसको एनएफ के साथ शेयर करने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Thank you very much. Last we have Manjul Rawat. I think we missed him. Manjul Rawat ji, are you getting us?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Manjul Rawat, and I am Chapter Director Uttarakhand. And I have been associated with the NAF family since 1992 in various capacities. That time it was UP chapter. Now it is Uttarakhand chapter, and I have been associated with different capacities with government departments and with associates also. And adventure, and you can call it NAF, like it's the founding stone of my career also. So I'm to NAF family as a director, but I have been associated for long, and I'm here to do all that and whatever I get guidance from all the family of this huge family of NAF. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Right, we had a brief introduction. I hope nobody is left over, or anybody who would like to tell anything about or say.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yes,
I'm
please.
I'm Sanjeev Attri from HP chapter Shimla.
Sanjeev Attri, please.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। अभी तक मेरी इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं हुई थी, तो शायद आप मिस कर चुके थे। सॉरी डिस्टर्ब किया।
नहीं, आपको 2-3 बार मैंने बोला था, बट
अच्छा नहीं सर, शायद उसमें ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, सॉरी।
हाँ।
मैं संजीव अत्री, हम लोग NF से 95 से जुड़े हैं। तब ब्रिगेडियर ज्ञान सिंह सर के साथ होते थे और कर्नल सहदेव थे और गुप्ता जी थे। तब से हम लोग NF के साथ जुड़े हैं। मैं 31 इयर्स मैंने अभिमास मनाली में एज ए सीनियर स्कीइंग एंड माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर काम किया और 2017 में मैंने रिटायरमेंट ले ली। इसके साथ ही मैं HP स्पोर्ट क्लाइंबिंग एसोसिएशन हिमाचल का भी प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। तो वो हम लोग काफी दिनों से जुड़े, सिर्फ 2 साल जो कोरोना की वजह से कोई एक्टिविटी ज्यादा नहीं कर पाए हम लोग। अभी 12 मार्च से लेकर 12 अप्रैल तक हमने ब्रिगेडियर ज्ञान सर का जो उनका एनिवर्सरी था वो भी हमने 2-3 इवेंट में हमने उनको सेलिब्रेट किया। तो बाकी आज की जो चर्चा होगी उसमें हम लोग सब लोग भाग देंगे। हो सकता है कोई ना कोई ऐसा पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस निकल जाए जिससे हम NF को दोबारा इकट्ठा कर सके और अच्छे ढंग से शुरू कर सके। बाकी yes sir, thank you sir.
Thank you very much. I think our president is already here. Just to brief you, sir, we have already discussed about main agenda points, what we had about this meeting today, and we had an introduction, and we came to know about each other and get familiarized with the situations at the ground level. And 3 agenda points I will repeat again. First was membership drive. We are working ahead with the automation of membership, and we would like to do seriously this membership drive, take it further. The second agenda point was training and certification. I think in the prevailing circumstances, it is important for us to be declared us as a training center, NAF training center. And that is what is the next agenda point. And third is the website transformation. As we all know, we are into digital world and we have to use our website and the social sites proactively and for our purpose, and we will see how we can make the best use of these resources which are available to us almost on free of cost. However, we have to pay intelligently, use intelligently, because it consumes a lot of time, and we have to make it proactive and useful for us. With this, I think, introduction, I will welcome and invite our President, Lieutenant General Raman Dhawan, to talk to the participants. Sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, KK. Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be over here, and I'm glad that the number of participants this time are more than what was there present last time, but still we have about 1/3 of our participants, chapter directors, still absent, and I would have liked everybody to be present. But nevertheless, first of all, we are going through very difficult times as a country because of this pandemic, and I sincerely hope that all of you, including your families and your near and dear ones, are healthy and safe. Please take all the necessary precautions under the circumstances, because your own life and health and the life and health of your near and dear ones is much more important than anything else. Not only that, there is a whole lot of negativity which is going around in the country. Every day you put on the TV, agar on karo, to badi sad news hi khali sunne ko milti hai. So under these circumstances, it is also important that you stay positive, have a positive attitude in life. Life has to go on. The show must go on also. So take due precautions, take care of yourself, stay healthy. All right. Now with these opening remarks, what I want to discuss today with you is the future of NAF. And my vision as to where NAF should go, as to what is the role of National Adventure Foundation in the future of adventure sports in this country. For a very long time, that is last 5-6 years, we've been totally dependent on government programs for NAF, and we've been quite happy as the headquarters at NAF with these government programs and a few programs that we ran for some of the colleges, etc. Unfortunately, while that has been good, we've been getting a lot of these programs and from the government, But it has also, the COVID has also highlighted that once these government programs stop, then NAF, we have not utilized this time and opportunity which was available to us to become the leading institution or organization for adventure sports in this country. अगर आप हिस्ट्री ऑफ NAF देखेंगे, NAF was started in 1979. उससे पहले खाली वो माउंटेनियरिंग वाले कुछ होते थे, माउंटेनियरिंग फेडरेशन वाले कुछ होते थे. There was no other organization, no other operator for adventure sports in this country. All today, जितना आप इस कंट्री में आप एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स देखते हैं, जितने भी ये प्राइवेट ऑपरेटर्स हैं, जो नए इंस्टीट्यूशंस वगैरह जो खुले हैं, all of them, their genesis is from National Adventure Foundation. वो सब आगे निकल गए, इंडिविजुअल ऑपरेटर्स वगैरह आगे निकल गए, और NAF पीछे रह गया, happy in conducting government programs. The role which has been given to those institutes and their recognition which has been given to them by the government, that should have actually come to NAF. That is of being the leading and the premier institute for adventure activities in this country. So my vision is, my aim is that is where NAF should be as far as this country is concerned. That अगर कोई भी एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स करना चाहता है, कोई भी एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स इस कंट्री में कभी करना चाहता है, so they should look first towards NAF and the chapters of NAF and the people who are affiliated with NAF. They should first look at them, and then only people should go to private vendors. मैं आपको 2 साल पहले मैं एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए मैं न्यूजीलैंड गया. because I wanted to do some skydiving, bungee, and some water activities over there. In the whole of New Zealand, to conduct water sports, there are only 2 agencies which are certified by the country to do it over there. यहां पर अगर आप ऋषिकेश चले जाओ और आप वाटर स्पोर्ट्स करना चाहते हो, तो आपको 200 ऑपरेटर मिल जाएंगे वहां पर. There is questions about their certification, the quality of their equipment, the training of their operators and guides who are over there. सब पे ऊपर हर साल इस कंट्री में on adventure sports alone, every year if you check the statistics, about 35 to 50 people die in this country due to adventure sports, during various adventure sports. So my aim is that the National Adventure Foundation must not only become a leading institute for conduct of adventure sports, but it must also become a leading institute for training and for certification and for audit of people carrying out adventure sports in this country, operators. Presently क्या हो रहा है कि ATOAI के कुछ मेंबर्स हैं, ऑपरेटर्स ATOAI के, उन्होंने अपना एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया हुआ है और उन्होंने हर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को जाके अप्रोच किया हुआ है और उन्होंने बोला हुआ है कि आपके यहाँ जो भी कोई नया ऑपरेटर वगैरह आता है वो हमसे परमिशन लेना चाहिए. Now this is a classic case of conflict of interest, that the operators themselves are deciding who should be an operator. So I have written to all the state governments saying that National Adventure Foundation is a charitable organization with a national footprint. We are a non-profit organization and we can carry out training, audit and safety checks of the operators, adventure operators in your state. I've got a very positive response from a number of states. अब इसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा बाद में आगे बोलूंगा आपसे. Number two, so in order to achieve this standard, हमको क्या-क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये हमको स्टैंडर्ड अगर अचीव करना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट तो ये है कि हमारा जो नेशनल एडवेंचर फाउंडेशन का जो फुटप्रिंट है, हमारा जो प्रेजेंस है, it must be all over the country. It should be in every district of this country. Presently, अभी देख लो, हम 38 चैप्टर्स हैं, उनमें से 2 का मेंबरशिप मैंने अभी पिछले मीटिंग में टर्मिनेट कर दिया है, because their contribution was absolutely zero. Their contribution to NAF was absolutely zero. So मैंने 2 स्टेट्स के चैप्टर्स का मेंबरशिप टर्मिनेट कर दिया है. Now we've got only 36 left. 36 में we have got only 22 present over here today in for this meeting. The requirement is that first of all we must have a कोई adventure who can conduct activities in से बुलाना पड़ता है. So first requirement is to increase the number of chapters, and of course when I say increase the number of chapters, ये total के number नहीं कि भाई operators ढूंढ लिए. Due diligence has to be exercised in identifying new chapters. So my first request to all of you is, please assist us in identifying new chapters in different parts of this. अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, मगर इसमें से काफी डाटा हमारे पास हेडक्वार्टर नैफ में नहीं है. ये जो आपने जब कोई स्टेट मेरे को लिखता है, जैसे अभी मेरे को गुजरात स्टेट से कॉल आया, मेरे को उत्तराखंड से कॉल आया, मेरे को सिक्किम से कॉल आया, मेरे को उड़ीसा से कॉल आया कि भाई ओके, आप हमारे वेंडर्स को, हमारे यहाँ के स्टेट में जो ऑपरेटर्स हैं, जो व्हाइट वाटर के ऑपरेटर्स हैं, जो पैरासेलिंग के जो ऑपरेटर्स हैं, आप इनकी ट्रेनिंग करिए, आप इनका एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम बनाइए. तो जब मैं आप लोगों से पूछता हूं कि भाई आपकी क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है इसकी ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए, इनका ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए, तो आप में से कोई मेरे को जवाब नहीं देता. So we at national headquarters need to have a database जो मेरे को बताता है कि भाई अपा साहब धूस, he is qualified, this is his certification, वो ये क्वालिफाइड है कि जब मैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास जाता हूं, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास जाके बोलूंगा कि भाई हमारे ये ट्रेनर्स हैं, ये इनकी क्वालिफिकेशन है, ये इनकी क्वालिफिकेशन है, एंड ओनली देन कैन वी मूव दिस फॉरवर्ड. आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? So my second request to you is कि please make जिस चीज में आप क्वालिफाइड हैं, जिस चीज में आपके पास क्वालिफाइड इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं, जिस एक्टिविटी में, please make a detailed training program in that activity. if it is a parasailing, if it is rafting, if it is any other activity, mountaineering के लिए इस country में बहुत सारे training establishments हैं. So I will not go into mountaineering. So I will not discuss about mountaineering. Similarly, some aero sports, which so I will not go into those subjects also. इसके लिए आप kindly अपना training program बनाइए, beginners training, advanced training, and a refresher training program for each adventure activity. And you should be also able to have कि भाई इसके अंदर अगर राफ्टिंग करते हैं आप तो राफ्टिंग में बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस क्या हैं, राफ्टिंग के लिए सेफ्टी ऑडिट के लिए क्या क्या चेक्स होने चाहिए. ऑल दिस डाटा इज अवेलेबल ऑन गूगल एंड आई एम श्योर ये डाटा आपके पास भी होगा अगर आप ये एक्टिविटी करते हैं. बट माय पॉइंट इज कि जब ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट या महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट मेरे से पूछती है कि भाई आप हमारे ऑपरेटर्स के लिए क्या करेंगे, हमारे यहाँ स्टेट में जो टूरिस्ट ऑपरेटर्स हैं आप क्या करेंगे, सो देन आई हैव टू टेल आदित्य ठाकरे कि भाई हम ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, ये 15 दिन का हम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम आपके लिए चलाएंगे. इसके लिए we are giving you the best price. We are giving you the best price, and we will also carry out testing of your operators. So that is the movement towards how the National Adventure Foundation can develop its name. और आप चैप्टर डायरेक्टर जब होंगे और आप ये ट्रेनिंग एक्टिविटी अगर अपनी स्टेट में कर रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका भी नाम आ रहा है सामने, आपका भी नाम आगे सामने आ रहा है. एंड सो व्हेन यू डू योर कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी, जब आप अपनी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करते हो तो आपको भी उसी बेनिफिट होगा. Therefore, please try and understand what I'm trying to say. That जब ये हमारे जो एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर के साहब आपसे कुछ डिटेल वगैरह मांगते हैं, please try and address that. Please try and meet that requirement. Coming back now to the chapters and all. और मैं इसके लिए as far as commercial activity है, मैं आपको मदद करना चाहता हूं. एज हेडक्वार्टर NAF. हेडक्वार्टर NAF आपको कैसे मदद करेगा? वन तो जो अगर गवर्नमेंट का कोई प्रोग्राम आ गया, कोई कॉलेज वगैरह का कोई प्रोग्राम आ गया, डेफिनेटली वी गिव इट टू यू. बट वी ऑल्सो वांट टू टेल, बिकॉज टुडे अगर आप गूगल करें एडवेंचर, तो गूगल में जो एडवेंचर इन इंडिया अगर आप गूगल करें तो पहला नाम नेशनल एडवेंचर फाउंडेशन का आता है, गूगल की जो लिस्ट आती है. Therefore, it is very important आपके लिए कि आपका जो एक तो चैप्टर का डिटेल है, मगर आपका चैप्टर क्या एक्टिविटी कर रहा है वो नेशनल एडवेंचर फाउंडेशन के पेज में आना चाहिए. And that is why I keep asking you कि आपका जो forecast of adventure activities है वो आप हमें भेजिए, so that it can be hosted on our website. It can be hosted on our website so that anybody, the moment they Google open our website, it comes कि भाई okay, Uttarakhand is doing a trekking expedition to फलाना जगह अक्टूबर के महीने में. नहीं तो आप वो अपने वो ही छोटे कुएं में रह जाएंगे. अगर आपको अपना नाम बढ़ाना है, आपको भी अगर नेशनल फुटप्रिंट चाहिए, you have to merge yourself with the National Adventure Foundation website and become an active member over there. The third thing is, as far as ये membership वगैरह है, हम अब ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हमारी जो वेबसाइट है, जो भी अगर कोई हेलो कोई भी होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ मिनट, जस्ट होल्ड इट फॉर अ मिनट, म्यूट योर माइक्स। या कि जो भी कोई मेंबर बनना चाहता है, जो भी कोई मेंबर बनना चाहता है, वो डायरेक्टली हमारे, अभी क्या है कि चैप्टर उसको रेकमेंड करता है, बट वी आर गोइंग टू पुट इन अ प्रोविजन दैट डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट के ऊपर, जैसे दूसरा होता है, डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पर ही कोई हमारा ऑनलाइन मेंबर बन सकता है। एंड वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ मेंबर्स। उसके बारे में आपको एक ईमेल भेज दिया जाएगा वंस वी फाइनलाइज इट, कि सब आप you are, or you can see our web page also. It will tell you as to what are the different types of members that we are going to have. So now this is the broad outline as to where NAF has to go. While we'll continue conducting government programs, we will continue conducting programs for colleges, citizen programs, as and when the colleges and schools open. But we also cannot be totally dependent on the government programs. We have to move further ahead and become independent. And one of the ways of becoming independent is कि हम आपको, आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी को और करें अब आपकी स्टेट के अंदर. Okay, with that I have finished. Now we'll have a discussion. We can have anybody who's got points. KK, please ask them to one by one. You can unmute them. Otherwise, I want you to control this.
Right, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lieutenant General Raman Dhawan, President, for giving us your vision and then direction for NAF. I will request. All directors are here. We have been discussing about various points. I think he has mentioned about those preparing the training program from basic, advanced, and refresher thing in your own expertise field, so that we can project to different states when it comes like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Sikkim, or even Odisha, or any other state rather. So in that case, if you have some points or some issues, how to go about, or you face some problem, it will be great to listen to you. Please, anybody one by one, you can just say. Anybody who wants to speak?
Colonel C.K. Singh.
Colonel C.K. Singh, please.
Sir, morning, sir. Sir, I have few points. Firstly, what is the value of our certification? Though on the website and Google, we are number 1, but like I have done the certification for the Jammu chapter director, who has now resigned, and he did 1 week training with us. I had signed. The headquarter has countersigned, but that certification does not have any value. So firstly, we must create some value of our certification. Otherwise, we just talk of NAF, it doesn't have any value. Secondly, sir, you just mentioned about the skydiving you had gone and done there. We used to do skydiving for the civilians at Agra. Earlier, that is Indian Skydiving Federation. I have done skydiving. We used to
I also done it from there.
Sir,
I am a life member of Skydiving Federation.
Yeah, I am the life member. We used to pack our own parachute.
Yeah.
Earlier, we used to get aircraft from the Air Force. Thereafter, we used to hire from the Agriculture Ministry. Thereafter, it became very expensive. We had to close this. It has still not restarted.
Yes.
The problem is, those who can afford, they are not interested. And those who are interested, they can't afford. So that is the biggest problem. for this thing. Now, secondly, about what program we are doing. Earlier, I'll give you the things. Earlier, KV program, Navodaya program, UGC program, we used to get directly through state, through the assistant commissioner. Now they have brought it down to the school level. And at school level, what happens? I don't have to specify, everyone knows how programs are being given. So, though we are capable, we are the best, we are the top person, yet it goes to the private civil vendors. That's what is happening. Unless we get the direct, as it used to happen earlier, directly from the minister, from the government to the assistant commissioner and directly to the NAF. Otherwise, once it goes to the school level, we will not get the program unless we have some personalization. So these things are there, certain problems are there, yet we should not give up. We must keep on working hard.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. No, let me just address the points that he raised. Let me just address these points right now so that, I can sort them out. Your first point was value of the certification. You're absolutely right. But the value will come with progress of time. I mean, you start with your own certification, that is how all institutes have done it. Once we start certifying, then we go to the government and say, you recognize us as a certifying body. A number of, already, like I have just told you, a number of states are willing to recognize us. 4 states have already shown their interest as willing to certify us. So that is how the value of certification will come in, because adventure activities, unfortunately, is a state subject, and therefore we have to go to each state. So that is as far as.
Sir, may I interrupt? Sir, I have one more point. Here in the university, we have tourism management courses. And the government also is running the tourism management courses.
Yeah.
I have done training for them, their students, but their certification has got more value. Our certification doesn't have that much value.
No, but that is what we are now trying to set right, isn't it? That is exactly what I am trying to set right.
Yes, sir.
That is exactly my point. Okay, and this makes me come to your number 2 value, that the NAF name. You made a statement that NAF has no value. I totally disagree with you. NAF today has the highest value as far as all operators are concerned. It is the only thing is that we are not offering them the services that they want.
Sir, I didn't say that NAF doesn't have any value. It doesn't have that much value which it should have.
No, NAF does not. You see, NAF has a lot of respect. In fact, today, most chapters, when they are giving their tenders to the government, the first thing they are writing is we are affiliated or we are chapters of NAF.
Yes, sir.
And because of them, they are getting those tenders, those ones. So my second point. Third is you said about skydiving. I myself, I did my skydiving from Skydiving Federation of India. I am a life member, but you are absolutely right that the organization since then has become defunct. The organization has become defunct over there. But, as NAF, at this point of time, we need to focus on the low-end activities. The high costing activities like skydiving, etc., scuba and all. I totally agree with you that, people who can afford it, they rather go abroad and do it. They rather go somewhere abroad and do it, and they are not interested in sorting out here in India. So by and by. Okay. Third is school programs, etc. Now, this is my point, and rather my, I won't say complaint, but my, the point which I take up with the chapters. Now, it is the headquarters NAF. I cannot walk into every chief secretary's office in a state. It is the chapter director who has to do it. You have to establish the liaison. And therefore, so the ground level liaison has to be established by the chapter directors. And that is why we want more presence in the states. I mean, at headquarter NAF, it is just KK and me, and we got a couple of clerks. So I can't be walking into everybody's office to establish liaison. When I write a letter to them, they reply back to me. I send a copy of that letter to you, but after that, you must follow up. For example, I mentioned it last time also, there are clear directions from AICTE that all colleges affiliated to AICTE will get their adventure programs or adventure curriculum done through NAF. Now, how many of you have gone to the colleges? You want a copy of that letter? I can give you a copy of that letter. Okay, all right. So these are my, so ground level liaison has to be done by the chapters. Okay, thank you. Next.
Anybody?
Sir, I am Rukmini Chandran.
Yeah, Rukmini, good to see you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for taking so much of initiative for NAF. I am very happy. Sir, I wanted to bring it your notice. Having a mountaineering courses under NAF is very important to have a rock climbing, because mountaineering only it comes rock climbing, zip line, jumping, whatever we have, all this comes under mountaineering only. So if we have a mountaineering center also under NAF, good thing, sir.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'll take it. I'll take that.
In Aero Club of India, wherever you go, parasailing, they have not mentioned, they have not taken it as a sports only. And whatever the experience, like for example, I am doing it since '89 as a parasailing because I learned it from NCC. NCC is the mother of parasailing, who brought the parasails to India and started parasailing. And from that time, I am there as a cadet 1984. So parasailing, there is the instructor courses only with our experience and accident-free career. Under that, we have to do something, sir. And in India, even for water sports, there is no instructor's course. They do this basic orientation, advanced and trainers trainee courses. And life saving is very important.
Absolutely.
So first we have to get the list of qualified instructors among our directors of NAF chapter.
Yes. Totally, absolutely. This is what I've been saying.
Yes. Sir. Then we have to form a committee of it, and we have to have a centers where to conduct this mountaineering courses in Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand, wherever these snow mountains are there. We have to identify the place, 1 or 2 places, centers, even for water sports. Rock climbing, like we have in South, we have very good place for rock climbing, training center, trekking, all this. So this is my few suggestions, sir. Thank you so much.
Rukmini,
sir, and also the, sir, 1 minute, and also the instructors we have to create from for our chapters, like sending the participants from our state to the center, NAF center, wherever they are giving training in for instructors course and get the certification from our NAF only.
Yeah. No, Rukmini, I totally agree with all the points you said. That is exactly what I've also been trying to say. Okay.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Appa Saab.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
मैं सबसे पहले धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ NAF का कि आज इस मीटिंग में सर्टिफिकेशन के बारे में सब्जेक्ट लिया है। वैसे तो हम जब भी ट्रेनिंग कैंप्स करते हैं, सबसे बड़ी हमारी दिक्कत वही होती है कि हम सर्टिफिकेट इशू करने में असहाय होते हैं। तो इसलिए आज इसके थोड़ा सा रुक्मिणी मैम के बारे में भी मैं बात करना चाहूंगा। उन्होंने जिक्र किया है कि अभी एरो क्लब ऑफ इंडिया का जिसमें पैरासेल का लिस्टिंग नहीं है, तो मैं एरो क्लब ऑफ इंडिया का भी मेंबर हूँ। जो जो एयर एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरनेशनल गेम्स होते हैं, जैसे कि अभी मेरे पैरामोटर में है, तो सिर्फ वही स्पोर्ट्स एरो क्लब ऑफ इंडिया में एंटर है और उन्हीं को ही मेंबरशिप मुहैया किया जाती है और वही इंस्ट्रक्टर बनाए जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं मैम से कहना चाहता हूँ कि अभी तक पैरासेलिंग का उसमें इंक्लूडिंग नहीं है। तो मेरा जिक्र है सर, आपसे मेरी विनती है कि आप प्लीज एनएफ की तरफ से भी एरो क्लब ऑफ इंडिया को एक लेटर लिख के पैरासेलिंग में कुछ करने के लिए आप विनती करें। और दूसरा मैं सिंह साहब
एक मिनट
सर,
यू सी हमने जानबूझ के ये नहीं किया, बिकॉज अगर हम एरो क्लब को दे दें देन द एंटायर कंट्रोल ऑफ पैरासेलिंग विल बी टेकन ओवर बाय एरो क्लब ऑफ इंडिया,
राइट?
the entire control. That is why things like your microlight flying, skydiving, hot air ballooning, these are it is because of control being exercised by the Aero Club of India that these sports have not developed in this country.
Right.
You know, और अगर पैरासेलिंग भी, अगर पैरासेलिंग और ये पावर्ड हैंग ग्लाइडिंग भी अगर ये ले लें, ये पैरामोटरिंग जिसको कहते हैं, अगर ये भी एरो क्लब के अंदर हो जाए तो आप सबकी ये एक्टिविटी बंद हो जाएगी।
सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल गेम्स के लिए सर, सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल गेम्स के लिए। और दूसरी बात मैम, प्लीज मैं कंटिन्यू करूं?
हाँ प्लीज।
और दूसरी बात सर, मैं एपीपीआई पैराट्राइक का मेंबर होने से वजह से और उनका इंस्ट्रक्टर होने की वजह से अभी जो एपीपीआई पैराट्राइक की यूरोप की जो वेबसाइट है, appii-paratrack.org, उसके ऊपर अगर आप सर्च करेंगे और फैसेज देखेंगे तो उसमें करे कि हमारी वैल्यू क्या है। तो मैंने एक छोटी सी कोशिश की है कि एनएफ का झंडा हम यूरोप में